lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. I am Shauna. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Now, I went away for a week because I went on a trip with my partner to Rome, and it was amazing. It was such a historic and such an amazing place, and I was just in awe. And you might, if you follow me on Instagram, you might see a few pictures here and there, but I didn't post a lot because I took it on my camera and I was just too lazy to transfer the pictures from my camera to my phone. But I may be posting some more, I'm not quite sure. But it was an amazing trip and I had a really good time, and I got to rest and regroup, and I'm back, you guys. I'm so happy to be back. A week's break is good. If you ever feel like quitting, you guys, never quit, just rest. Rest is always good for you, and it was good for me, and I'm so happy to be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm super excited because today I'll be reviewing the Patricia Bright for Revolution palette. She came out with 4 palettes with Revolution Beauty, and I only got 2. I got from Dusk Till Dawn, which is a face palette. I'll take it out of the packaging soon. And I got one of her eyeshadow palettes, and this one is called Rich in Life. If you follow Patricia Bright, she has been on YouTube for about 10 years. She's one of those influencers who we've learned a lot from, and she's... Okay guys, let's backtrack a bit. She has 2 eyeshadow palettes and 4 face palettes. My bad. She's so funny. She says a lot of things that just makes you laugh, and I love her. I've been following her for so long. I've been following her from the days when she was teaching people how to walk in heels. That's how long I've been following Patricia Bright, and it's nice to see that she's blossomed into such a successful, beautiful woman. And she has a little baby on the way, so I'm happy for her. She has a little daughter and a lovely husband, Mike, so I'm happy for Patricia. And when I saw this on Instagram, I just had to get it because if you know me by now, you guys, I'm all about affordability, and anything that's affordable and good quality, trust me, I'll be on it. And she came up with 4 palettes, as I said, and I only picked up 2, and I cannot wait to show you guys how they look. I'm so excited for her. I'm so excited I got these palettes. So if you haven't checked out Revolution, you know I always rave about Revolution. It's one of my favorite affordable drugstore brands. So if you haven't checked them out as yet, make sure that you do so. I'll be leaving their link in the description box down below. They are such an affordable brand, and they usually have good quality stuff. And so I'll be reviewing one of Patricia Bright's palette with them, and also one of the smaller face palettes. So let's get cracking, you guys, because I'm so excited to show you guys this palette. It's beautiful. So let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's white and it has the Patricia Bright on here. It's a lovely palette, but I am always scared of white because, you know, handling makeup and handling white stuff never goes together well. But it's a really nice palette, and it's like a tin packaging, and of course it has the black around it. Patricia loves black and gold, so I guess that's why on the cover it has black and gold, and it says here Revolution, Makeup Revolution London Shadow Palette. And when you turn it around like that, you see the title of the palette. It's called Rich in Life. It has, sorry guys, sorry for the glare. It has 28 shades, and it's a beautiful palette. It's quite substantial as well, you guys. It's quite a big palette, which is unusual, I think. Well, not unusual, but usually their palettes are a bit smaller. So you do get a lot of, you know, quality eyeshadows in this palette. They're quite big, so you do get your money's worth. This one retails for £20, and I think the face palette retails for £8. So let me go ahead and open up this palette. As I said, it's like a tin packaging. It's not very easy to open. When you open it, it has a big mirror, you guys. It has a big mirror, and then it has all these beautiful shades. Can you guys see that? Oh my goodness. So you have a mixture of neutrals, and then you have some pops of color. You've got greens, you've got blues, you've got yellow, orange, pink, which I think ideally for me, those are the colors I usually gravitate towards. So I think this palette is perfect for me because these are the colors I always go for. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit more about this palette. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and call out the names of the shades. So this one is called Pure Soul. This one is called Jet Setter. This one is called Booked and Busy. This one is called Biggest Fan. This one is called Natural Glam. This one is called No Days Off. And this one, which is the black, is called Star Girl. So these are the shades in the first row, and you guys, if you know Revolution, you know what their pigmentation is like. They're really nice shadows and they're pigmented enough, but of course building up these shades always helps. So this is the first row and I really like them. They're very soft to the touch, and yeah, I really like the first row. Guys, the lighting is kind of canceling these out, but they're really beautiful. So the first one here is called 100% Cocoa. This one here is called Brown Sugar. This one is called Icon. This one's called Perfection. This one's called No Games Played. This one's called Workaholic. And this one's called Irreplaceable. So basically this row has 2 shimmers and 4, actually 1, 2, 5 mattes, and they're like brown mattes. Sometimes you can't really, you might not be able to see how they look on my skin because the browns kind of fade into my skin tone, but they're beautiful nonetheless, guys. So this is the second row. This is the third row and it's my favorite row. It has all the shimmers and they are beautifully pigmented and they are also soft to the touch. Imagine when you put your base down and you put these on and you start to blend them out. Mwah, perfect. So I love the third row, my favorite in the palette. So let's go ahead and tell you what these shades are called. I love the names of these shades, you guys. These are the names that she's given to the shadows are the names that she usually says when you watch her videos. She always uses these words or these phrases. So I really think they are really cute names. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you what these are called. So this one is called Shining. You know, she's always saying shining, shining, shining. So this one's called Shining, Shining. This one is called Darlings. This one is called You Are Gold. Beautiful shades. This one is called Diamonds for Breakfast. Ooh, we like that. This one is called Sweet Like Candy. This one is called Extra AF. And this one is called Date Night. So really fun and playful names. Such a beautiful row, this one. I am living for all these shades in the third row. How beautiful are these shades, you guys? Absolutely stunning, and they're so soft. So this is the third row and it's my favorite. Okay guys, so this is the fourth and final row in the palette. So let's go ahead and tell you the names. This one is called Angel. This one is called Never Say Never. It's not the most vibrant yellow, but it can be built up. This one is called Try Me. This one is called Superwoman. This one is called No Drama. This one is called Risk Taker. And this one is called Stay Hydrated. Okay guys, so my final thoughts on this palette is a beautiful palette. The color range is amazing. It has a lot of neutrals and it has a few pop of colors. So if you're looking to, you know, do neutral looks and do a bit of bold looks, this palette is for you. All I can say is I really like this palette and I would say go ahead and purchase it. It's only £20, which I don't think is that expensive for 28 shades. And of course, it's Patricia Bright. But guys, I really like this palette. I think the colors are beautiful, especially the shimmery shades that were quite pigmented. A bit shimmery, it might be a bit shimmery for some, but I love a little bit of shimmer, honey. So I really like this row right here. This was my favorite row, you guys. Absolutely beautiful, and I love the color selection. I think it's beautifully put together, and the names are just so fun and playful. Of course, it's Patricia Bright. She always uses these words and phrases on her channel if you watch her. So I'd say go ahead and get the palette. It's really nice. You get quite a few matte shades. You get a lot of browns, and you get one black, which is quite pigmented. You get beige, and you get lots of, like, you know, pinks and stuff like that, which is really nice if you're looking for, you know, neutral and bold looks. I'd say go ahead and get this palette. It's really nice. It has a big mirror, of course. It's not heavy, so it's travel friendly, and the packaging, I'm not very keen on the white because I've already gotten it messy right there, so I'm not very keen on the white packaging, but it's simple, and it's a nice palette. So I'd say go ahead and pick it up. Of course, I'll be doing looks from this palette, so look out for those looks. And yeah, I do. Okay guys, so just let's quickly jump into the face palette. I'm not quite sure what the face palette is, but I think it's like a contour, blusher, and and highlighter. So they come with 3 shades like that. So I'd say this one is a blusher, I'd say this one is contour, and I'd say this one is a highlighter. And I think this one is a darkest shade from the face palette. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly swatch it for you guys so you can see how they look. I'm going to just do a finger swatch. They're absolutely beautiful. Can you see that, you guys? I'm not quite sure. You know what? Let me just swatch them on my hand quickly, because the lighting isn't picking them up very well. So these are the shades from the Dusk Till Dawn face palette. Very pretty contour shade for darker skin tone. Then you have the darker blusher right here and the highlighter. So I'd say this palette right here is perfect if you are darker skin toned. And as I said, they have a lighter one as well. So if you're on the lighter skin tone side, then I'd say go ahead and get that. But this is perfect, you guys. And as I said, you know, it's the same packaging as the eyeshadow. It's a tin packaging, and it makes traveling easy because it won't break. And of course, it has a mirror. So if you're somewhere and you want to retouch, it's perfect with the mirror. And of course, as I said, you get three shades in this. They don't have any names. It's just 1, 2, 3. Of course, they're cruelty free and vegan. So I'd say go ahead and pick up one of the eyeshadow palettes. She has a bolder one as well. And of course, pick up one of the face palettes. I think they are worth it. In total, I paid £28 for these 2 right here, and I bought it on Revolution, so I got free shipping. So go ahead and make sure that you support Patricia and pick up some of her face palette and eyeshadow palette. Alright my lovely, so that's it for today. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know if you're going to go ahead and pick up the Patricia Bright Times Revolution palettes, or if you already have picked up any of them, do let me know as well. I'm super excited for her, and I cannot wait to play around with this palette. As I said, it's worth getting. The shades are quite nice, and once you build them, you will get a really nice payoff. They are soft to the touch, and it's a really nice packaged product, and it's easy to travel with, so you don't have to worry about breaking it if you decide to go on a trip somewhere. So make sure that you go ahead and pick it up. You can get it at Revolution, or you can get it at beautybae.com. So guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I do hope you found it helpful. I will be doing a lot of looks with this palette, you guys, so make sure that you look out for that. And of course, if you want to see anything in particular, do let me know in the comment section down below. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on these palettes. Let me know if you've tried them already and if you like them, so on and so forth. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really missed you guys so much. I'm so happy to be back, even though it was just a week's break. I'm happy to be back. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Turn the notifications on, you guys, because that way you won't miss a video from Shaunz World. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and thumbs up. Why not? Go ahead and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And what else do I have to say to you guys? I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.